Good morning, I hope you're doing amazing, and today I am going to make a teardown of an old RC car. Dajik DIY, think, build and share. When doing this process on any object, there is one simple rule. When you see a screw, you remove a screw. In this car, I was mainly looking for the motors, the wheels because they can make cool robots, springs, the battery pack, and especially the receiver circuit, which will allow me to make remote controlled objects. I always keep the screws with the help of a neodymium magnet. I find this tip very helpful, and you always need some small screws. Trust me. I also kept all gears and cool looking parts because they might come handy when building any robots or any project of this kind. If you want, you also might want to keep the motors in their gearbox because except from 3D printing one, a gearbox is especially annoying to build. If I did not want to use the receiver circuits, I would definitely desolder all components so that I have some spare free parts for electronics projects. Here is the speed up process on another RC car. Well, today you have learned what is inside an RC car and you got a few free components. There is a saying which quotes, "A man's trash is another man's treasure." Thank you for watching.